Oh man, I didn't get to record that first heat. Good, I'll have to trim it out. All right, Victor Villachow is leading with 20 laps. Rick Eickhoff is second place with 20. Jim Wood third place 18. Jeff Noel fourth place 17. Gary Worden at 13. Dave Rose at 13. Penalties hurt, let me just tell you. Did that button work for you?
I don't know, did it? No.
He just does it. Ready.
If it did, I'm going to start using it.
Go. Rider. Yellow flag.
It must. Are these?
Rider. Rider. Yellow.
Good. Yeah, he's the one. He's the one. The other Victor's the nice guy. Help! Red. Today. Tomorrow. Man, I gotta quit wrecking. Yeah, I think we'll have to start doing that. At least with the CanAms. Next heat, I'll turn them on. I saw you. You're supposed to go by me. I'm on red. Okay, Victor Villachow is running off with it. He's at 40 laps. Rick Eickhoff is at 39. Jim Wood 36. Jeff Noel 33. Dave Rose 31. Gary Worden 28. I know I have been having great difficulty keeping in the slot on them two first lanes, white and red. So maybe things will lighten up a little bit. But it's a good race. Victor's turning good laps. Victor got 20 laps that heat, and Rick and Jim Woods. Rick's 19, Jim Woods 18, Jeff Noel 16, Dave Rose 18, and Gary Worden 15. So we'll go back and get another view.
Hey Jim, you forgot to put your brakes on your controller.
Did I?
Yeah, look, I don't know why you have it off.
Yeah, I can't imagine. Can't imagine how that red terminal
I don't know
fell off.
how it fell off.
No break anyway.
Oh yeah, you see, you should. You see, we're gonna vote on this.
Thanks a lot. I'm already 4 laps down to this mullet. What do you want? He should race with no brake.
I agree.
Me too.
Too much brake there.
No, it's just right.
You know, first thing the tires they grip. Ooh.
I can't see it. Who hit the button?
Okay.
Yeah. Dave was telling me to drive without no brakes, and he's ahead of me, I believe. Help! Thank you. We took that power away from you. We took that power away from you when we caught you stargazing. Mash the button if you want to.
Yellow flag. That was me around you. Yellow flag. You got it. Jim, you gotta make this longer for him. Look where he stands.
I think he's over there hitting the space bar on the computer.
Yeah, he's there changing time. Yellow flag. Come on, Jim.
The red car?
It was.
I can't get in the rhythm, Jim. Keep on pressing the button, Jim. Come on, stay on the lane.
I was catching you till I came off twice in a row.
I decided to bring my slower car, Jim. I didn't put the NSR.
I left my NSR in the box too. I'm so afraid of wrecking. You know the price it's going to cost me.
Yeah, I didn't even press the button.
Because you're 15 laps ahead of me. You didn't want to embarrass me at the end of the day. I appreciate that. Thank you. See there, I didn't.
Sorry, that was me. I hit it too hard.
I didn't even hit the button that time. You proud of me? Into heat.
Rider, 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 rider.
Track, track, track. Jim, there's one. Oop. Help, over here. Help.
Oh, rider, 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 rider.
Back on red. Into heat. Rick Eickhoff is in the lead with 77 laps. Victor Villachow in second place with 76. Jim Wood in third place with 75. Jeff Noel in fourth with 69. Gary Worden 61. Dave Rose 60. Fast laps. Victor Villachow. Jeff Noel turned a 5.438 on blue. Excuse me, on green. Jim Wood turned a 5.668 on blue. Victor Villachow turned a 5.719 on red. Rick Eickhoff turned a 5.911 on orange. Gary Worden a 6.294 on purple, and Dave Rose a 6.55 on white. I might bear. Maybe. Yep. Track, 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 track.
Rider.
Good call, Joe. Blue. Yep. All right. Start us back. Here we go.